Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to unlock edit a layer in Photopea. So let's started. At first open your Photopea document. Now we can see then show the Photopea. Now select from new project option. Then select. Now we choose from any size. Now I choose from any size. Now click from create option. That it's now you can see. Now we go into the file menu option, then click. Now I select from open option. Now select from and open the any file. Now click for open. Now you can see open the file in the layer, check, then I show the click from picture in the not move. Now you can see then select from now click from unlock. Now we show the move the picture in Photopea. That it's now you can see unlock and edit a layer in Photopea document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.